What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I am finally back with a new video. I know it's been a long time, but honestly I don't even got no excuses. We're just gonna get right into it. So today I wanted to show you guys how I organize my makeup in my bathroom, and I also figured we can just throw in a little bathroom tour. I think my bathroom is super cute and it's honestly my favorite room in my apartment. So let's go ahead and stop talking about it and get straight to it. Alright, y'all, welcome to my bathroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with putting all of my makeup on my shelf. We are going to start with the first shelf, and that is where I put my foundations and my concealers. So I'm gonna first start with this plant. I got this plant from Amazon. I believe it was like $10. Super cute. I like to put that first, and then next I'm gonna go ahead with my Maybelline foundations. Disclaimer, a lot of my foundations are empty. I like to keep the bottles, one, just so that it looks full on here, and then two, I never know what color I use last. Sometimes I feel like my colors change depending on if it's summer, fall, spring, winter, whatever. So I like to keep them up there so before I go and replace them, I can look and be like, oh yeah, that was the last color I was using. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to pick these up without dropping them. So those are my Maybelline foundations. And also I recently tried this e.l.f. foundation, which I am obsessed with at the moment. So I like to put these on here next. Yeah, I really used to be into high-end foundation, but first time I tried the Maybelline, I was like, I'm not spending $40 to $50 on foundation anymore. Going to Walmart for $9, it works just as good. But yeah, so my foundation is up. I'm gonna go run and get the concealer, and then we'll put the concealer up there next. So I also tried this e.l.f. concealer that I am obsessed with, y'all. I know this is not my color, mind your business, okay? But I'm obsessed with this concealer, so I like to sit these right next to the e.l.f. foundation. Of course, everybody's favorite, we cannot forget about the LA Girl concealer. So I got these little containers, I don't know what to call them, but they're like concrete little squares, and I got these to put my LA Girl concealers in. I thought they were super cute, and I thought they looked good with the exposed brick in here. I just set them up here some type of way. Yeah, whatever. And then I like to just take my LA Girl concealer. A lot of these don't have tops on it, and I feel like y'all should just not judge me. But yeah, so I put these in here upside down so that I can see the color. Concealers and my foundation. This is open. Alright, let me show y'all a little closer. So this is the top row. Alright, on to the second shelf. So on this shelf, I got this little bootleg painting that I did. My makeup brushes, and I think I'm just gonna add another flower to that one, another plant. So this is my little bootleg painting, y'all. When quarantine first started, it was when I first moved in by myself, and I was so bored. So I was like, I'm going to Dollar General. I found some little canvases, canvas or whatever it's called. Some canvases. I bought some Dollar paint, some Dollar paint brushes, and I created a masterpiece. I really think it's cute. I got another one of these concrete things for the makeup brushes that I like to put in the middle. this plant I got from Target. It was $4.99. Just a little fake plant that I also thought would be cute with the exposed brick in this bathroom. And that's gonna go there. And my beauty blenders, they need to be cleaned. But I got this from Walmart. This is one of those plant things that catch the water when you water your plants. Yet again, it kind of matches this. It's cute with the exposed brick. Can put my beauty blenders on it. Perfect. So it is looking real cute so far. That is the first and second shelf. Okay, yeah, so it's looking real cute so far. We got our foundations, our concealers, our makeup brushes, and beauty blenders. On the next shelf, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my perfumes that I use, and that'll probably be the only thing, and another plant maybe.
And for shelf number 3,
I got this wooden board from Target. This came from the little kitchen section. I got it to make a cheese board, but after I was done with that, I'm like, what could I use this for? And I thought it would be perfect for here to put my perfumes on. So this is gonna go on the third shelf. You guys cannot see that. So that's gonna go on the third shelf. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my Gucci perfume, the YSL, and the Chanel. And it's honestly a perfect fit for those three. And then I also got this plant from Target. This was also a $4.99 plant. Okay, this is honestly the last shelf that I have something to put on. There is one bigger shelf at the bottom that I haven't figured out how to utilize. If you have any ideas, please let me know. I was thinking about just getting a cute black makeup bag that I can just add the, you know, the other makeups that I have so that it can still be on the shelf and not in the cabinet. But I don't know. But for the last shelf, I have my lip liners and eyeliners. Another $4.99 plant from Target, and these are my lipsticks. Honestly, I don't wear lipstick like that anymore. I am a lip liner and lip gloss type of girl these days, but those are the lipsticks that I do have in there. And yes, this is how I organize my makeup.
Jump along candles round your crib, boy, you rich, rich.